piece we wanted right there. Alright, got the foam out. Now I gotta get the plywood out. Here we go. There's a hole in the bucket. Just like that. Look at that. Beautiful.
Sweet.
Who is this guy? I'm just hooking up my 30 amp. Saw me drill a hole in the side of the trailer. That was nerve-wracking. You got green, white, black, green, white, black. This shouldn't be hard, right? I mean, even I can do this. This is number 10. We call it 10-3. Right? 10-3. Yeah, 10 gauge stranded wire for my RV plug. So we'll go ground first. Looks like it's pretty tight in there. The only chance you got a wire in that is outside. I got 5 feet of wire. I need about 5 inches. Well, maybe 10. So now I'm going to go stick it through the hole, the side of the trailer, and then we'll wire the box on the inside. This is the cover that goes on the inside. There's your strain relief. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna need a level. I'm gonna pre-drill. Trying to get the electrical box hooked up. I'm using this Square D little 2 breaker, 30 amp. Here's the number. It's Square D QO2L30S. I got 2 30 amp breakers. Actually got 3. I bought an extra one. So I got way too much wire here. Wires stripped. Alright, here we go. Box of screws. Someone told me once, if it works, is it really a bad idea? Alright, that goes in there. Let's tighten that down. Got it. Alright. Wire down the pipe. Wire it as I go. It seems to be the easiest thing. I'm all the way to here with wire, so trying to keep the videos, you know, one for the kitchen, one for the bed, one for the electrical, but at this point it's all kind of commingling, I guess you'd say. So the reason I did this is I wanted to get up out of the bed with the electrical so that I can finish the bed, and then I'm not, you know, everything's up here. And the plan is this is going to come over here to the light switch, give me power to the light switch and the fan, and then this is going to come over here with another plug for my CPAP machine, and then come out of that, and so the CPAP and the AC will plug in there. This is just for charging phones, whatever. We're going to put a shelf right here. We decided put a shelf right under here, and then you put your phone up on there and charge it, whatever. And then we can put some lights underneath the shelf. All right, here goes nothing, drilling a hole through the camper. I get through the foam. That's all I want to do. I want to make a hole out here so I know where to drill. Drill this out. So I keep the drill at kind of an angle. And that's put that like that, and then our light will go on that. All right, true confession, I didn't film for, I don't know, 2-3 hours. I really went to town with the electrical. Started with this up here. I got this box in, junction box. Comes out to the light out here, and then it comes down. I'm about to put these switches in. This is the power coming from the breaker box. Goes over to here, goes out to the fridge and the microwave, and then it's going to do those plugs and these switches. So this was a struggle because it's such a confined small space. You know, I don't know who's worked with pipe before, but it can be a pain, you know, trying to get all these little pieces in. Getting the wire pulled through the inside corner was a challenge, but now I'm gonna wire it up. So all right, so this is very easily one of those things I could have chosen not to show you, but this is the reality of figuring out as you go and doing something for the first time, and, you know, deciding to do something rather than sit on the couch and do nothing. That's all got to come out that I just finished putting in. And here's why. This is where the window wants to go. Whether it's going to go here or here, I don't know yet. But clearly I don't want an electrical pipe going right through my window. My wife always tells me no negative self-talk, but man, do I feel like a dummy right now. You know, I guess I put the cart before the horse and started doing the electrical before I had all the... But I just didn't know. I'm figuring it out as I go. So, whatever. We can't dwell on it. We'll just move on. Alright, so I'm back working on the... It's the next day and I'm back working on the electrical. I got this box tied in, got the outlets in. I'm going to do this one next, and then down here the junction point. Then I got 2 GFCIs that go outside. I got the light. How's this sun treatment? I got the light box, the switches tied in. I got this light in place, and I threw an extension cord on here and tested these, and they work. It's not hooked up right now, but both the outside light and the inside light are fine. So this is certainly not a tutorial on how to do electrical. I'm not an electrician. I'm not saying I know anything, but I've done plenty of work side by side with the electrician. Did both houses that I built, and wired a couple houses myself, and then had an electrician come and check it, and no problem. So I should be able to handle this. knock on wood. So I won't bore you with all the wire twisting and cussing and all that. I'll take you back when it's all done. You can see the finished product. All right, I got them all done. This one's tied in, this one's tied in. The light works. I just did the old hook the extension cord trick up. So don't pay attention to what I'm doing. All right, slam that window in there.
I'm not going to slam it. Be careful with it. How's that?
And then I'll go in the inside.
All right.
On the roof. I don't really want to go on the roof. So I'm standing on a ladder, sort of leaning over. I drilled 4 holes up from underneath. I mean, if I cut it too small, I can make it bigger, right? If I cut it bigger, I can't make it smaller. What I'm using, ProFlex RV flexible sealant. Stuff's like 20 bucks a tube. Gonna do a big, trying to make sure I get it adhered to the roof as well as the vent. All right, so check that off the list. We got the fan in and got it wired up and got the trim all on. I'm happy with it. It goes up and down like it's supposed to. You saw me goob up the screws up top, and hopefully it won't leak. That'd be bad, but I'm pretty sure it won't. So anyway, that's gonna wrap this one up. So I guess next time we'll be doing the kitchen, maybe working on the kitchen. I'm going to build some cabinets and building the bed, the benches here for the bed. And I'm going to build some little boxes for up here, go above the window, come all the way over to here. Just little storage cubbies. Try to start now that I've got all the stuff in here, start maximizing all the little spaces. So that'll be next time. I don't know, like I said, I'm making it up. So whatever I feel like, that's what I'll do next. How about that? That's my promise to you. So Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time from White Pine Woods. So long.